In order to guard against the spread of COVID-19, Parliament had to abide by its own set of rules to ensure the 2-metre distance and moved into Cercle Cité. This meant not only the movement of 60 MPs and their aides, but also an entire staff of technicians. For the production company BCE, Broadcasting Centre Europe, it was a huge challenge to manage and guarantee the transmission of parliamentary sessions for public consumption as soon as possible. Xavier, Thillen, head of production for BCE, shows us round.
Hi, I'll now show you how BCE managed to broadcast the parliamentary sessions out of the beautiful Cercle building here in Luxembourg City. Well, here we are in the entrance area of the Cercle building. Because of the lockdown and the security measures of 2 meters distance that have to be kept, it was important for us, and we were lucky, to have the entire building surface at our disposal. On this first floor, we've set up the press area where we broadcast the events from the main hall on a 75-inch screen.
According to the law, parliamentary sessions are meant to be public. But how was that possible during lockdown? Chamber TV was the solution, retaining public sessions whilst complying with all security regulations. BCE is one of Europe's biggest media companies for production and broadcasting. The company had just 2 weeks to switch the transmission from the Luxembourgish Parliament to the Cercle Cité.
We enter now into the Blue Hall of the Cercle building, which was reserved for BCE technology. Here we have the area of camera control, the position that controls the robotic cameras in the hall and makes available those images to the director of Chamber TV. They then choose the images that go on air. As a switcher, we use a proprietary development from BCE, Studio Talk. It can be controlled automatically, and it enables the director to select his broadcast images via a simple touch panel.
Parliamentary sessions where the Prime Minister makes an official statement are usually translated into sign language.
Now we're here in the main hall where the Parliament sessions take place since April the 17th. Why did Luxembourg's Parliament move here? Well, the Parliament changed to this building as there was more space available. The challenge was to fit everybody inside by respecting the minimum 2 meters distance to be in compliance with the safety measures. That could be guaranteed here.
Another challenge for the production company was to provide the 60 parliamentarians on site with all the facilities they needed to carry out their work.
A base station of the microsystem had to be installed at each deputy's desk, which enables the deputy to communicate with the auditorium when their contribution is taken. The microphone system for the 60 deputies is brought together here in the core of the hall. The President and the 2 General Secretaries are sitting on the podium. In addition to the microphone system, they also control the voting system. This is started from here. On this screen, we see the result of the last session. The deputies vote on this radio remote control with the buttons 1, 2, 3, yes, no, abstention. The final result of the voting then immediately appears on the screen. With the beautiful hall came the problem of this splendid chandelier, which unfortunately does not emit enough light for the TV production. So we had to install additional LED light helium balloons here in the hall. Next, we see the camera technology that we installed. For space-saving reasons, we had to use a very compact technology. We chose to install 6 robotic Panasonic 4K pan-tilt zoom cameras. The use of the 4K cameras with their quadruple HD resolution enables very precise, detailed shots from any angle. Despite their small size, we can still guarantee images of all MPs on TV. So let's take the opportunity to go through here, the crucial back office of the plenary sessions. These staff are responsible for organizing the sessions. They're also connected to BCE. The lady here is preparing the voting system. She enters the laws that are available for decision into the voting system for the deputies to vote. Then, of course, they need live picture as well to follow the process. And the lady here on the right is responsible for the timer that controls the speaking time of the deputies, which is regulated precisely.
Just before 2 p.m., MPs come in individually or in small groups. Several members of the government can be seen alongside Prime Minister Xavier, who's going to make a statement. They go to their new respective places.
We've heard the bell. The President of the Chamber has now opened the session. The bailiff has closed the door. For Parliament, this means there is debate. And for us, closing the door is synonymous with the clapperboard in film. We are on air.